Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. I thought in this video we would take a quick look at some screenshots that have been taken from the leaked build of the new Windows 11 operating system that was found online yesterday, the 15th of June 2021. And thanks to that leaked preview build of Windows 11, we more or less now have an idea of what the final result of the operating system will be when it is rolled out, most probably later on this year, 2021. Now, the obvious two design improvements that most have seen is the start menu and the centered taskbar icons, and that's more or less looking like the old, now obsolete Windows 10X. And besides those, those two redesigns, the start menu and the taskbar, there are some other design improvements that we will take a look at in this video. Just quickly, just some of the key properties of the Windows operating system. Now, the first one we're going to take a look at is the File Explorer, and obviously all these are screenshots taken from the leaked preview build of Windows 11, and then it looks more or less the same as the current Windows 10 File Explorer, but we can see here obviously the rounded corners. It looks a bit cleaner here in the navigation pane, and obviously the Fluent Design redesign of the icons is totally different, and I did make a video previously on the Fluent Design icons in the File Explorer, but back then we were expecting 21H2 Sun Valley, and now it is Windows 11. And then the next is the Task Manager, and the Task Manager, just like the File Explorer, doesn't look like there are too many major changes. Once again, it looks very similar to the current Windows 10 Task Manager, just to get, again, the rounded corners and then one or two minor UI tweaks as well. And then the Windows Search, here we can see, a couple of UI changes. Obviously the rounded corners again, and the rounded corners are going to be very prevalent in Windows 11, as it is carrying the new Fluent Design, which has the rounded corners. And then the major difference here we can see is that it is detached and floating above the taskbar, as opposed to the current Windows 10 search function, where it's square and it is attached to the taskbar when you click on it. And then the next would be the context menu, and the context menu looks very similar to what you would find in Windows 10. Just once again, obviously you have the rounded corners and that Fluent Design, but everything else looks more or less the same as what you would find in Windows 10 at the moment. And then the last one we're going to look at is the Action Center. And yeah, in the Action Center, we can see that this has been updated with Windows user interface elements as well as Windows 10X. So it's a good mixture between Windows and Windows 10X. And due to the screenshot, it doesn't look very different to the current Action Center in Windows 10, but it is expected, and this has been covered in previous videos, it is expected to get a floating user interface as well. So it'll look very similar to the search and the start menu that will actually float above the taskbar. So those are some of the key features in the new Windows 11 that I thought we would take a look at. So once again, the user interface is going to be quite modern. I think I like that. I think Windows does need a little bit of a visual upgrade. So I thought I would just share these with you in some of these recent screenshots. And then obviously, we will only really know the outcome on the 24th of June when Microsoft, makes that announcement regarding the future of Windows 11. And that's at the What's Next for Windows, a live stream event taking place on the 24th of June, 2021. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.